Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can actually watch your Netflix shows together with your friends. But before we start that video, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, we will simply just dive into our video. So to do so, you cannot do that actually just going to your Netflix app, but to watch your shows together, what you will have to do is you will simply go to this apps or your Play Store option of your mobile phone. Go on the search bar and simply type in Rave, search that, and then you will see this Rave Watch Party app over there. Simply tap on this open option. You will simply install this application there in your mobile phone, and you will inform your friends to do the same. You will both of your friends and you guys have to have this app and log in there. Then simply just tap on this plus icon over here, and then you will see all of the platforms. Simply tap on that Netflix, and so once you open your Netflix, you make sure you're logged in your Netflix in your mobile phone as well. Once you open, simply choose the account that you have, and then what you will do is simply see this add friend kind of icon there in your below right corner. Simply tap on that icon. Here you can see this, you can search whoever you would like to, or you can go to this contact option, see all the people, simply see your friends number, tap on them like this, and you can see this send to invites option right there, right? Simply send this tap on the send to invites, and you will send a link to that person in their mobile phone, and they will tap on that link to go to their Rave app and simply join you over there. So yeah, this is how you can simply watch your shows with your friends over there. And I hope this video was helpful to you guys, and yeah, thank you so much for watching our video till the end. I'll see you guys next time.